It's getting to be that time of year. Campfires and s'mores. Hot dogs, marshmallows, other things we're going to be trying out over the fire this year because we've got such a cool set of forks that we can use around the fire. So you can see they come with a different set of colors on each one so everybody can have their own. And they're telescopic, like an antenna on a radio. But look just how long the reach is on these. No matter how big the campfire, even if it's a bonfire, no problem. You still got strength out here to hold a hot dog, definitely to hold a marshmallow. You're going to have easy to pierce, but you're also going to have, since it's nice and stainless, easy to remove marshmallows from these. No matter what you're making, if it's going to be veggies and you're making shish kebabs, or if you're making hot dogs or meatballs or something, you've got endless possibilities with this set from Zulay. It comes with a bunch right away, 8 of them. So even if everybody wants to have 2 things in the fire, you can do that. They come in a cool bag as well, so they're easy to store and have ready when you need them for the campfire. Hope this helps.